She beats you again.
I know who can help me. Mama, I am back.
You finally remembered your mother.
Mama, good afternoon.
Welcome, my son. You look so thin.
Mama, that woman has defeated me twice. I am talking about cooking competitions.
You lost to your own wife twice? Twice?
Mama, please don't remind me.
Woohoo!
Mama, please help me train for the competition.
Ha! You have come to the right place. Don't worry, my son. I will teach you.
I will teach you.
Watch my hands. Twist and pluck. No, do not tear it. Use a gentle touch.
Look, I got it.
Watch closely. Slice it like this.
I see. Now you try.
Now you try. Look, you do it like this.
Oh, I see it now.
Watch the spoon closely, my son. 2 turns left, then 1 turn right.
Wow, that is incredible.
It is our little secret.
This time I will win.
You must listen to your mother. Stir it like this.
So that's your plan.
Look at this boy.
I want another cooking competition.
Upego.
Again?
This time I have help.
Look at what I got.
Welcome, Mother.
Woo! Hey, hey, hey!
If you want another competition, I'm ready.
You go.
There is a big competition coming.
Yes, a very big competition. You can win lots of prizes.
It is true. You must enter. Wait and see. My food will win. They cannot match my secret sauce. I am the master.
Hear ye!
A big cooking challenge begins. I will definitely win this.
Your Majesty, he has brought his mother to the competition. His mother? This is going to be interesting. The competition is getting huge. It is bigger every time.
I cannot believe it. Hey, Gucci! Listen to me.
Competition starts tomorrow.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Each side must prepare the best meal. You must finish before time runs out. No. Begin! Move!
Take a handful of these beans. Put them in the pot. Nduka, you must stir it harder.
Mama, this food is too heavy.
Yes, keep going. Stir it clockwise now. Listen to your mother. You must stir the pot. Keep the fire burning.
Let's add a bit of seasoning.
Oh no, it is too much. Do not worry, I will fix it. This smells absolutely delicious. Only the best for my family. Is it time to eat yet? Wait for me.
1 minute remaining. Time is up. Stop. Wow, that is absolutely delicious.
The seasoning is just perfect.
And the winner is... It is you! The winner is... the wife!
You should never doubt me.
This cannot be happening. Mama, even with your help?
My son, go and learn from your wife.